will. And if I have to humble myself, then so I will do. Please give me one more chance. I want to be born of your Spirit. I want to deny my flesh